Faltermore River East Specialty Anseo and you Dean Rock. Dean, you're very welcome to the programme.
Thank you.
We're going to talk about ladies football in a second, but I want to ask you about last week. It was a week on, 3 championships in a row. So how's the feeling? How are you feeling after this week, and has it all sunk in yet?
Yeah, I think we're all starting to come around to it after a hectic week for everybody involved. It's the city's been buzzing all week. There's been great fun across the whole county and the whole city, and it's hopefully the girls can carry on that momentum later on today.
Tell me about pressure. I mean, this is what we're going to be talking about here too. This is a lot of pressure in Croke Park. You, as playing with the Dublin, are used to playing under that pressure, but the last free kick that you had to take, were you aware that this is the last kick? There were certain distractions perhaps that were happening at the time coming in as well. So tell me, talk me through that. Like, what was going through your mind taking that?
Yeah, look, I think there's always a number of distractions when you're kicking free kicks, and it's just important as a free taker to kind of stay as focused as you can, really focus on the ball and focus on the strike, and that's all I was just trying to do. And once I got a good purchase on the kick, I knew the rest would look after itself. So there was a huge amount of pressure under the kick, but as I said, the rest is history now, and just thankful it went over the bar. Okay,
so you're hoping that it's obviously going to be a double now this weekend. You have another vested interest because your girlfriend Niamh is playing here today as well. So have you given this team any advice, or what have you been saying to her and their teammates in preparing for today's game?
Look, their whole group was very experienced. You know, they've been here 3 years in a row. Unfortunately, haven't got on the right side of it, but I really hope and I really think that they'll put all those wrongs correct today and get the victory that they richly deserve, because we see it firsthand at DCU, the amount of work that they put in, and their work ethic and their willingness to improve is second to none. So I really hope that they do go out there and do themselves justice and really perform and hopefully get the win.
Where do you feel Mayo's or Dublin's main strengths, or where do you think they have to be wary of in Mayo?
Well, look, I think Dublin have got a great set of defenders, and their work ethic around the pitch is amazing. They get in a serious amount of tackles, and that's pretty much it. That's the basics that you got to have when you start a game, is get your work rate right. And if you have that, then the rest will flow. And they got some great forwards up front. Obviously, Sinead Ahern, Nicole Owens flying this year as well. So it's very important that, you know, when they get up there, that they put the scores away early and trying to build a lead, because you know yourself, in All-Ireland finals, it's about getting your nose in front and kind of keeping there.
Okay, and I know who you're going to say who's going to win, so Dublin, but by how much do you think they're going to do it?
I think there's quite a lot of history between winning by points in the men and female side of things, so I don't think there'll be too much in it, but I do think Dublin will win by 5 or 6 points.
Okay, well...